Hello everybody. Today we are going to see the performance evaluation of employees. To manage the performance evaluation, we need to define evaluation parameters. First, we will be defining performance subparameters, which will be defined under performance of, you can see some examples. The performance parameters can be defined like this. So for example, we define a performance parameter called productivity, and within productivity we can define the number of or amount of score that will be maximum in each possible case. Similarly, we will define the performance parameter here and define the maximum scoring that is applicable for each subparameter. Along with this, we will now define an evaluation plan. This evaluation plan can be defined per company and can be defined to specify how the appraisal will take place and what will be the weightage of manager as well as employee for each and every appraisal. Okay, so in evaluation we can choose all the performance parameters, the total. The system will indicate and show all the sub parameters right here. Let's go ahead and conduct the performance evaluation of an employee. Based on the evaluation, the system will automatically send performance evaluation assessment form to the employee on the designated date. In this scenario, we will be conducting manually. The evaluation plan has been linked to the employee. As soon as I click on button send assessment to employee, it will send an email alert to the employee that your assessment has started, and you will need to fill the assessment in some specific number of days. Once the employee logs in, he will be able to see the performance parameter, and for each sub parameter he can enter his assessment. So here is the assessment score that you can enter. Let me take an example by filling up the score. After I fill the score, I'm going to save it and send it to the manager for his own approval. Any any particular score which has not been entered, system will give us a warning. You can see here. I send the assessment to the manager. Now the manager of this employee will receive an email that the employee has filled the assessment form. Now it is required to be filled by you within 5 days or whatever number of days that we define. Once the manager comes to the picture, he can see the scores that have been entered by the employee, but he cannot modify them. He can then enter scores for himself based on his assessment. So I'm going to make the entries. After filling the score, I'll verify and then submit this to the HR. HR will now receive the email that the assessment form has been filled by both employee and manager. Kindly review and take the final decision. Once the HR reviews this, he can see the assessment filled by the employee. They can see the assessment filled by the employee manager, and then they can see the overall performance in which the system will show the average score based on weightages that were defined. We had defined 50% weightage, based on which the system has calculated the score. So the final score which is coming out is 32.5 plus 25, which is basically 57.5 out of 100. The HR can give their remarks, be it promotions, and finally mark it as done to complete the evaluation process. Any actions taken after the evaluation process, like change in salary or change in designation, will need to be done separately. Okay. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel videos and you will be getting a lot. And yes, don't forget to comment upon these videos, because if you comment on these videos, this will really going to give us the motivation to upload more and more videos. Thank you so much. Stay tuned.